subscribe.
Hi guys. Welcome to Smart Sky. In this tutorial we will learn how to make cloth simulation. Press X to delete the default cube. Then press Shift plus A. On mesh select UV sphere. Right click to shade smooth. Change value to 2 in Z axis. Click on modifier. Select collision. Now press Shift plus A. On mesh select plane. Press 1 to front view. Then press G to hold object to navigate. Press S to scale the object. In modifier select cloth. In physics properties. Select self collision. Right click on plane to shade smooth. Press tab to edit mode. Subdivide. 25. Then press tab to object mode. Click on material properties. Change color what you want. Select sphere. On material properties. Change color what you want. Click on render preview. Now see this cloth simulation. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.